Thank you, sir. A warm and pleasant greetings to everyone. Thank you for having me. Myself, Samir Parajulia, student of class 12, and today I would like to welcome you all to the annual day celebration, which is a day which we have been waiting from since very long time, nearly about 2 years. And today is the day that is 64th anniversary of Sri Janak Model Secondary School, which is the gem of this entire Nawalpur district. So I would like to welcome you all to this grand seminar. So with that, now I would like to start my speech. But and this day, in this annual function, in this 64th anniversary day, the main motive is to understand and appreciate and hear all the works that the students and the teachers both have done throughout this entire year. And today, all of those works are going to be praised along, and they are going to be appreciated very soon in the upcoming performances and upcoming time as well. So without wasting time, I would directly enter into the physical aspects, all the advantages of being a part of Janaki. So without wasting time, let's roll our eyes towards the surrounding around here. Just look at that building, look at this building. Not only this, we Sri Janak Model Secondary School, not a small school, it turns 3 different blocks. Block A, where up to pre-primary level education is conducted. Then if we further move upward towards secondary level education, then we have this building. You can see this building on the way to be constructed, this which looks like a mansion. And even if we have to pursue our educational level for the higher level education, higher secondary level education, then definitely I don't think we just need to roam around here and there and finding college for higher level education as well, because there is another block C just few miles far from here, where we can find that and easily access our bachelor level education as well, which is a great advantage for all of the local people living in our locality as well. This was just a physical aspect. Now, if we just cover about the facilities that our school provides to us, let's consider ourselves and roll our eyes to all those computer labs, physics lab, chemistry lab, biological lab. Let me tell you something. Our school have been model to each and every school, and even there are so many surveys and educational tours which were conducted recently. In the recent time, some months ago, I remember, some months ago, some schools from Badung and Kusma come to our school for educational visit, where they were very impressed with our management in our science faculty as well as into this environment. So it is a very proud moment for not only for me, not only for only teachers, not only for parents, but the entire Janakian team. Is the proudest matter, isn't it? What do you think about it? So that was just about the laboratory management. Fine. Laboratory management is extremely so much perfect. You can even go and visit some of the classes. You can even see smart board which are hung. It means technical education and all those practical education is so much damn installed in this school, in this institution, that you definitely get benefited if you just enroll with me. So this was, if we talk about laboratory equipment, this was some of the benefits which normally many of the school possess, but we have a bit advanced compared to others, especially private institutions. Now, moving towards the locality, you can see right here, this is the huge building. It looks like a mansion, and if this is a mansion, then definitely we are the prince and the princess. Yes, Ami Rajkumar, Rajkumari, we are the prince and the princess, and this is our palace, and our teachers are our parents along with the king and the queen, and they guide us and pass us in such a way that I have seen lots of people. And I will take the example as my sister always. She is now an MBBS pre-graduate of College of Medical Sciences in Bharatpur district. There are lots of examples which have made success, which are developed into the successful careers in the very past history as well. So I don't think I need to express much more about quality education as well. Well, finding a college, finding an institution, finding a school which will help you gain some knowledge, acquire academic excellence is not a big deal. You can find many schools, many colleges being installed where you can get academic excellences as well. But if you really want academic excellences, along with personality development, along with physiological, psychological, emotional, physical and mental support, then definitely you can prefer Sri Janak Model Secondary School. Let me tell you something about my laboratory equipment as well. A day before, it means yesterday, I came to this building from my science faculty. I bunked my physics class, joined my colleagues and come here. And at that time, when I entered the STEAM lab, I was like stunned at that time. Because when I was in class 8 and 9, I have to travel miles to get just a soldering iron just to solder the wire of the motor. But right now, yesterday when I just seated into the lab, the children were so much amazed at that time. They were playing with all those equipments which are provided by the school. That was really impressive for me, and at that moment I was really speechless, and I was that was mesmerizing myself. And with all those management, scientific management was also quite very far compared to the others. And even I haven't seen such management in private school as well. Even in my experiences of about 10 years of my private school career and government school of about five years of experiences, I prefer studying in the government school. And even what we usually do is we usually participate in various competitions in local level in our school, just only engaging singing, dancing, speech, seminars, and something that are very common. But in our school, various national level competitions are organized. Recently, national running seal was also conducted in our school, and even our school was the second position holder, which is a proudest moment for not only for us, but for the everyone, every locality, every people living in this municipalities as well. So this was some physical aspect. Now if we have to go about for an quality education, the teachers are they are really so much qualified. Their education qualification is so high. The previous year results are so much amazing. Not only for me, every one of us. Because so that just look at the class 10th right now. There are more than 7 to 8 sections only in class 10th. Then just look at the criteria, look at the condition of the students who are trusting. Look at the number of students who are trusting this institution. Then if other can trust, if we can trust, in my entire 5 years of experience, such friendly environment, such friendly air, with the cordial relationship between my teachers and me myself. The relation is like my parents. Even I can call him, even I can call my son a father, or my man as well a mother as well. Because I am guided in such a way that they have molded me with such a confidence that I can come here and speak in front of you without any hesitation. I am so much confident in such things, and that is just because I stepped my feet into this Srijanak Model Secondary School, so that I am very proud, and I am damn sure if you just enroll your students, if you just enroll your children into this institution, then definitely not only your children, your entire family is going to be blessed within the next decade. So I am very confident for that. And at last, what I want to say is there is a very different way to look for our school. Some people think that government school is not that fruitful for education and something. They think राम्रो पढाइ हुँदैन, यो पनि हुँदैन, म्यानेजमेन्ट हुँदैन, बस केही गर्दैन, बस you can see that bus right standing over there carrying the children. You can even see that. But मान्छेहरूको हेर्ने दृष्टिकोण चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने नि सरकारी स्कुल राम्रो पढाउन केही छैन, म्यानेजमेन्ट छैन. बट नो, इन्डी म्यानेजमेन्ट छ त, त्यसैले नै आज जनक नमुना जनक माविबाट चाहिँ जनक नमुना मावि यहाँ बनेको छ नि त. जनक सेकेन्डरी स्कुलबाट टुडे इट इज renamed as Janak Model Secondary School and is announced as the best school of the city. So you can easily trust for this institution. So there is no any hesitation for your children to be enrolled. So at last I would like to say that if you make any decisions in hurry, if you have to get your children getting academic excellence along with personal development, then definitely prefer this. And I can assure you that you would not regret for your entire life. And I am damn sure that with the next decade, your children is definitely going to be benefited all with all the motivational speeches and motivational inspiration classes and all the guidance that our teachers and teachers along with head teacher inspires us and mold us in such a way that definitely we are going to reach the ultimate path to the success. And definitely our name, our school name is also soon going to be attached in the not only in national level but also in the national level. And at last, what I want to join, I wanna say my personal experiences. The last year, an online speech competition was conducted at that time. At that time, due to the topic was somewhat very harder. At first, I thought that I think I cannot make that. I thought, sir, I cannot do this. I directly said to sir, I cannot do this. Don't register into me this. Just don't register me in this program. And they said that it's okay. But the next morning when I come to school, I was amazed. I was surprised. At that time, The teacher, Mr. Mohan Bhandari sir, gave me a receipt that I was already registered in the competition and the payment was also already made. Such support is shown by the teacher, and as a whole I even won that competition and I was rewarded as well. So not only from physical aspect, including all those sports, not only in mental aspect, including all those child development activities being conducted, it is also supporting emotionally, psychologically, and from through each and every aspect. So definitely, there is only last word that always comes to my flabbering lips. That is Amro Janak, Ramro Janak. Thank you so much.